Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VC Spectra token. Ticker symbol is SPC2. Now this token, it was just announced that they are successfully moving into stage 2 of their public pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on the VC Spectra token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, if you head over to VCSpectra.io, you can find a reward section, you can find a white paper, you can find audits, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, login, sign up, join the pre-sale button. They even have, it says, limited time offer, join our pre-sale and receive a 50% bonus on any deposit. So that's cool there. You could check that out. It says Spectra is a leading firm driving innovation in fintech and blockchain through strategic investments in ICOs, empowering financial growth by harnessing cutting-edge technologies. So they're actually live right now for pre-sale. Looks like they're on stage 3 right now. So it says there is a certain amount of tokens here until they reach stage 4 of the pre-sale. So it says 47,329,937 tokens remaining until stage 4. Then they have their price here. 1 SPCT token equals 3.3 cents. So they're basically 62.14% completed stage 3. So if you go to their webpage, VCSpectra.io, you can just click on Buy Now, and that's going to take you where you need to go to connect your wallet and get the token. They might have you have a pre-sale form you have to fill out. I have not bought tokens, so I do not know exactly what happens when you click on it, but they'll probably tell us here in a second. And they actually have a message box that pops up in the corner of the screen. If you have any questions, you could just shoot a message there. So who we are, Spectra VC is a decentralized asset management protocol and trading platform that aims to provide investors with a secure, transparent, and profitable investment experience. It says, our vision, we envision a world where anyone, regardless of their financial background or expertise, can invest in blockchain and technology with confidence and ease. Our aim, through our innovative approach, we aim to democratize access to blockchain and technologies industry and provide investors with a sustainable and profitable return. It says, get rewarded now. As an esteemed investor, your journey with VC Spectra goes beyond owning tokens. It unlocks a world of exciting rewards and dividends based on your token holdings. Invest with confidence. So wide profit, access to wide range of profitable blockchain ventures, long-term, so sustainable development approach, and risk management, reduced risk and uncertainties. So why invest in Spectra VC? Well, access to promising projects, ethical and responsible investment, exclusive Spectra token holder benefits, and transparency and accountability. So how we invest, they have portfolio selection. So our investment team uses a rigorous selection process to identify high potential investment opportunities in blockchain and technology space. Capital allocation, we have selected a portfolio. We allocate our capital to each company based on investment strategies and risk management principles. And value creation. As a portfolio company grows and achieves key milestones, we work with their management teams to create value and maximize returns for the investors. So what makes us different? With a sustainable investment and income generating opportunity without initial capital, we leverage artificial intelligence to maximize returns and offer quarterly dividends to align interests. So there is precision, unmatched precision in spotting the right projects in a narrow vertical for portfolios. In early investment, so early investment opportunities in Web3 startups present significant potential for growth and innovation. Team mentorship, so guide and mentor the core teams to structure a portfolio business model. And ICO focus on ICOs and specific cryptocurrencies that align with our investment framework. So our funds, Spectra Decentralized VC Fund, interests in blockchain startups democratizing access and generating returns through decentralized governance. So they have the Alpha Matrix Fund. Alpha Matrix Fund invests in growth potential projects, conducting through due diligence and rewarding token holders for successful investments. They have the Quantum Ventures Fund. They have the Eclipse Opportunity Fund. They have all sorts of different funds here that you can check out. So basically their strategies, they have algorithmic trading. They also have systematic trading. Tokenomics. So the Spectra token is a BRC-20 token standard. So if you don't know what BRC-20 tokens are, you can check out a video that I did on BRC-20 tokens. And it's basically, they're built on the Bitcoin blockchain. And they have the benefits of buying these Spectra tokens is voting rights, quarterly dividends and buybacks, higher chances of success, access to exclusive pre-ICOs, token allocation, 50% of the tokens go to presale, 12% reserve, 10% team and founders, 10% listings, 10% marketing, 5% advisors, 3% bounty. So they also have an ERC20 token contract address and a BRC20 token contract address, so they're cross-chain basically. Lots of partners. They've been listed in different news article outlets. They're partners with Uniswap, so probably right after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Uniswap. There's frequently asked questions. There's so much information. There's a very extensive white paper too, 27-page white paper with very tiny print that you could check out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.